walkthrough video for a recent project that I have built, a Google Drive clone, and this is the sort of architecture I have used. I have used S3 bucket from AWS as my object storage, and for metadata I have used SQL, and to access your content from S3 I've used a CDN provider, Cloudflare, another service from AWS, and to upload to S3 bucket I've used a pre-signed URL for security purposes, and to make this particular thing scalable I've containerized the backend using Docker. So this is my Docker file and a Docker compose file, and this particular project is live and hosted on cloud.srb.codes, which is then got resolved by Cloudflare CDN Cloudflare DNS provider. So this particular subdomain is mapped to my EC2 instance, which is running here, as you can see, docker ps. So okay, so right now no Docker container is running, so as we can simply run it as we have Docker compose file, we can build it and run it here only. So as you can see, I have run the Docker container, so this will be accessible now, and let's check if it's working. So okay, one more thing that I have used is for reverse proxy and for my web server I'm using Nginx, and for SSL certificate to make it accessible on HTTPS port I'm using Certbot for my SSL certificates, and for my authentication purposes I'm using for user authentication I'm using GitHub OAuth. So as you can see, this is getting logged, so this particular thing is working. So okay, to use this particular storage solution, you have to sign in with your GitHub account, you have to authorize it, then you will be rerouted to the dashboard where you can upload your files here. So let's see. So as you can see, I can upload a PFP image. So I have also used a middleware for to make sure user don't exceed the limit, and I have also used a fuzzy search here. So if you see PP, it will show the PFP. So yeah, these are the few functions, and you can simply access through a CDN, which is then got resolved by Cloudflare. And to store images or files, I've used SHA-1 as my hashing algorithm. And so yeah, here is my bucket. So as you can see, I have only 2 files, and if I reload, I'll get another file as I have just uploaded. It also supports multi-file upload, so I can also do this, and all the files will be uploaded in the queue. So yeah, it also have few basic functionalities. So yeah, this is it. This was the basic walkthrough video for this particular project.